Hi programmers. Today we're going to move some of these methods that are in the main program over into util.cs, and I've already just cut them out of the other program and I've pasted them in this one. And the two I did was this progress time and PCG week. And be sure, if you've got this beginning of it private, be sure and change them to public. And then you have to go inside the program, and whenever you try to build it, it'll give you the line numbers that are the problem. And like, I've already done a lot of them, but there's 3 left. Go through and type a U and a dot in front of it, because if you remember, we already did that instance of util in the static variables. Let's see, 52. This. Okay, 1151. Okay, now then we're going to go back at the top, and we're going to take these integer checkings, and these are private, so I don't know how many we're going to have here. I'm just going to highlight them and edit, cut, and then I'm going to come over here, and you can put them anywhere. I'll just put them up top. Edit, paste, and then I'm going to change these to public. It looks like I was using a variable, a static variable, and I can either put like a string in front of each of these, which I think I'll do, or I could just set up some more static variables. It really doesn't matter. Let's see if this is going to be all. Okay, that's fine. Never used. We're going to take this extra space line out. Now we're going to go to the other program, and we're going to, all the instances that it used those, we're going to put that U dot in front. 580. And it'll either give you the line numbers, or you can just scroll down and find them. But if you miss them, it does give you the line numbers at the bottom of this error section. I missed some up here. 1100. And 360. Okay, now one last thing I want to do is up here at the top, it's saying I've got these 2 variables assigned but never used. And let's go look and see what's going on there. I might not need them. 17. Wait a sec. Oh, those are in the other one. We are using those. they're just mistaken because we are using them. Let's see. Yeah, we're using them. It's in that era. But anyway, let's see if we can't compile this. And we're gonna, well, let's just, the first one of the very first ones is PCG week. So let's see if it'll create me a record without giving me an error. Yes, it did. So let's go into adjust hours. Okay, enter special time. Oh, 4. Because these, what, 574 is this week. We're going to add me some, let's say the 24th. We don't want the 24th. We're going to say tomorrow, the 25th. Yeah. And holiday, we're going to say we're going to take personal day. Well, it's not letting me. We'll just say sick. We're going to say we're sick tomorrow. And we're going to create these records. We did all the dates and checking and things like that. And so let's look at adjust hours. And it's got that one record laying out there. So we've got our 3 records. So it worked. And we'll do something else next time. Bye.